Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to compare Hostinger and GoDaddy, two big names in website hosting, to help you pick the best one for your site 2025. Hostinger usually starts cheap. A basic website plan can start around $3 a month, where in GoDaddy, a similar plan costs about $7 a month, but it might include more storage and security. About Hostinger, your website pages load very fast, around 350 to 400 milliseconds, and it's almost always online, 99.98% uptime. Where GoDaddy pages load a bit slower, around 500 milliseconds, and it's online about 99.9% of the time. It has more issues when many people visit the sites. Hostinger has an easy-to-use control panel, lets you install WordPress with one click, give you a free security certificate, and a free website address for a year. It also has a website builder that uses AI. And GoDaddy uses a sender control panel, has a website builder but less flexible, and it often charges extra for things like backup and better security. Hostinger offers 24 by 7 live chat help, email, but no phone call support. Their helpers are very good at fixing technical problems quickly. Where GoDaddy offer 24 by 7 by phone and chat, which is good if you like talking on the phone. GoDaddy is very popular for buying website address and has good tools for managing them. Hostinger gives you a very free website address with most plans and free email account. Hostinger also includes free security and a tool to check for bad software and weekly backup of your site. Where GoDaddy provides SSL, but you often have to pay extra for malware protection and daily backup unless you have more expensive plan. So if you want price, speed, feature, security tools for building site, then Hostinger is good for you. And for phone help and managing many website address, then GoDaddy is better for you. So on overall, if you want a very fast, cheap, easy to use website, choose Hostinger. And if you want if you want to manage many website addresses and you want really need to talk someone on the phone for support, then you can choose GoDaddy.